Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll explain whether you can remove a quest badge on Discord and what your options actually are. Let's get started. First, open the Discord and check your profile. If you see a quest badge, that means that you earned it from completing the Discord quest or promotional event. And here's the important part. Discord currently does not allow users to remove the quest badge from their profile. According to Discord support information, once the badge is earned, it's considered permanent. Some quests, like game related promotions, may appear unexpectedly during the gameplay or calls, which can surprise users. But once the badge is added, there's no built in option to hide or delete it. Your only option is to send feedback to Discord support and let them know that you'd like the more badge control in the future, but removal isn't guaranteed. So unfortunately, the quest badge are permanent for now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.